Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another session of an interaction with a topper. And with us today is a special guest. She's one of our student. Still remember teaching her in the class. So, with us is All India Rank 73 Krishna Joshi, who has done it in her very first attempt. So, a lot of things to learn from her. How to use the right time in the most righteous manner. So, first of all, congratulations, Krishna.
Thank you so much, sir.
And I think there is n number of things from you that students need to learn.
Yes, sir.
Right. So let's start from the basic idea. पहले तो थोड़ा सा ऐसा समझते हैं कि what has been your background, from what background you come to prepare for civil service.
Yeah. Okay. So I come from Jodhpur in Rajasthan. So I was there for my schooling till class 12th, and I had humanities. I chose humanities knowing that I have to pursue civil services towards my
Pre-designed था पहले. Okay,
pre-designed.
ठीक है.
Since around 7th, 8th standard, I knew
Oh.
that this is the direction I'm going to take. Then it became a little more concrete in 10th standard. I took these subjects, economics, political science, like this. Then I moved forward and I did my graduation from Lady Shri Ram College, Delhi University. That was also
Great.
planned. Like I came to Delhi to familiarize myself with Delhi and come in that vibe, so that I knew that this is the place I have to prepare from.
Yes.
Yeah. So my graduation was in English honors, and then I started preparing. Like 30th May, I remember completing my graduation last day, and 14 June 2022, I enrolled in the coaching, and then I started preparing.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it was too much of a planned thing you executed.
Yeah.
How come the orientation के मतलब इतना 7th 8th class से या 10th 12th class से how come someone can visualize? Because I remember my case, it was too late. After graduation, I am looking at options and okay, civil service is one of them. So any assistance, any guidance from home, anything like that?
Yeah, there was no guidance and assistance, like, because in my community, like I am probably the first person from Jodhpur coming from that community who has cracked the exam. So there was
Okay.
absolutely no guidance I had, but I had Google.
Oh.
So I went through the options very early, and in 10th class I knew that now I have to make a choice which will help me towards like the entire career path. So
Okay.
at that time I brainstormed and I looked in Google, and I was sure कि हाँ, this is the thing I can do, and I'm going to do with this.
Like what you did? You tell me like थोड़ा detail
Okay.
में.
Yeah, so detail में what happened was like 10th standard में there was like my mom was saying कि commerce लेना है, CA is good.
अच्छा.
Okay, so yeah, and arts के साथ people were like, you are intelligent, why do you want to take arts?
Yes.
But yeah, then I talked to one of my cousins कि क्या करना है, and I used a lot of Google कि actually क्या क्या options available हैं 10th के बाद,
Yes.
क्या career path हो सकता है, and I found this thing कि there is a thing called civil services, and this was in my mind पहले से, because I remember in 7th standard or something there was swine flu, like a lot of swine flu
Yeah, I
in
remember
Jodhpur,
that, yes.
and I heard constantly कि कलेक्टर साहब छुट्टी किए जा रहे हैं बार-बार, कलेक्टर साहब मैनेज कर रहे हैं, कलेक्टर साहब का ये ऑर्डर है, वो है. then I was like कि अच्छा सब कुछ वही कर रहे हैं,
ये कलेक्टर साहब है कौन?
बिल्कुल.
अच्छा.
So then I started like knowing about that person. I asked my father, and he said that this is the like best job that you can have in life, and you have those qualities. I trust you.
Yes.
Yeah. So he was also there like pushing कि हाँ, this is the good thing you are.
That support
good.
base is always needed, na Krishna?
Yeah.
Yes.
So support basis was there. So everything came into that things fell into place eventually. So support was there. I started using Google a lot. Eventually, I like by 11th 12th standard in 2017 batch, I came to like started reading these topper talks and everything. So by my graduation, I knew कि book list ये है, coaching ये करनी है, optional ये रहेगा, and this is how I am to.
So this is all coming from internet, huh?
Yeah, everything from internet.
See, great.
Yeah.
That's I think internet revolution then.
Yeah, definitely.
So how come you came with the choice कि अच्छा मुझे वाजिराम ही जाना है?
Okay, yeah. So this has a story. Like I was going through all this. 2017, I completed my 10th. Okay.
Okay.
And 2017 batch, AIR 77, Himanshu Kaushik sir was there.
Okay.
And he has a very similar story as mine. He had his first attempt. He came to Wajiram for classroom coaching.
Okay.
He went to another institute for like PSIR. He had his optional as PSIR. And in one attempt, he had AIR 77.
Oh.
So after going through like around 50-100 topper stories, I found that this is the strategy which is matching. Relatable. And this is something I can take influence from.
Okay.
So majority of my influence came from his strategy, his book list, his vision.
It's great of
Yeah.
selected candidate to
Yeah.
say it that I took it from internet and there was no one to actually.
Yeah.
That's a superb story. Great.
Yeah.
So then you took the inspiration. Okay, this is what he has done. So let
Yeah.
me also look at it, and
Yeah.
that's how you planned your graduation also
Yeah.
in Delhi, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay. And then when you came to Delhi, how different it was from what you visualized?
Okay. It was difficult here. Let me be very
Yes,
honest.
you have been living in Old Rajendra Nagar.
Yeah.
So how was Old Rajendran Nagar for you?
It was difficult because I was living alone.
Okay.
And then I had this coaching 7:30. I had to, like 7:30 my class was starting here. So I had to be here by 7.
Mhm.
So waking up early, managing everything alone, breakfast, lunch, sab kuch, and then classes, and then my self-study ka routine. So
Right.
my self-study was going different from what coaching was doing. So
Okay.
that was also on track. So
Yes.
managing everything was like very hectic, but I had this some spark in me that एक बार में ही करना है.
नहीं वो जरूरी है. Actually, my second question was going to be that only.
Yeah.
That people take like good amount of time. I'm not saying everyone, but yes, good amount of people. If I look at UPSC data also,
Yeah.
it says that generally it is the third attempt at least,
Yeah.
where you click the exam.
Yeah.
Now, what do you think? What helped you not take another 2 years, but to do it in the very first go itself? So, what were those things which were in the right places for you?
Yeah, I think there were 3 things, if I can summarize them, like planning, consistency, and discipline. Plan was, I had my daily plans, weekly plans, and long-term plans.
So, can you just throw a little light on how you were managing the plans?
Yeah, like these plans started falling into place after I joined coaching. I realized that this is my coaching time. This is the time I'm taking for revision, class ka revision, and this is the time I need for self-study. So I came across that if I do around 7-8 hours of self-study, I am on my track with
Yes.
coaching, with revision and everything, optional and everything. So I analyzed this. Initial 10-15 days, it took time. Initially, I was taking 2.5 hours reading newspaper.
Yeah, initially. it
Yeah.
is.
Then eventually in 5-6 months, it like went down to 1 hour. Now it's
Yes.
45 minutes.
Yes.
Yeah. So that happened. So eventually it took patience and it took planning. Okay, I realized okay, my 5 hours are going for class, another 7 hours for my self-study, 1 hour for newspaper. This is my routine.
Yes.
So that I planned with very patience, with
You
flexibility.
came into peace with this is my routine for now
Yeah.
the next year. Yes.
Yeah. And then there was
Okay.
consistency and discipline because I did not break that routine no matter what.
Yeah, I came to know you didn't meet your parents for a long period of time.
Yeah, for those 15-16 months, like starting from June 2022 to till I wrote mains. I did not meet them, nor did I allow them to come to me, nor did I go home because I didn't want to break my routine.
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes.
that is why actually, like the coaching institute gives online classes also recorded,
Yes.
but I preferred coming here.
That is absolutely important because it shows your commitment also.
Yeah.
That I am pushing myself for something which I want to clear. You're not doing it
Exactly.
for somebody else.
Yeah.
So that's where I think discipline matters
Yeah.
a lot. Okay, how about planning? See, I've seen many students, though we give the so-called, what do you say, plan, because end of the day, it's not a one-size-fits-all approach thing.
Yeah, right.
We may tell you what exactly has to be done in the long year, but then subjectivity has to be there.
Yeah.
So how were your subjective plans
Okay.
other than what was going in the coaching?
Yeah.
Fine, you have to read, you are being taught something, you maybe revise it also that
Yeah.
very day. But how was your parallel routine going?
Okay, so like I have been a studious child since the very beginning. So I had a habit of sitting for 10 hours, 10.5 hours, 11 hours and studying. So that wasn't a hurdle
Problem,
for me.
yes.
Yeah, I enjoy studying a lot. I do not have any other hobby other than this. I had to make up hobbies eventually. So this is my like forte that I can
Okay.
do. So that was the advantage I had. Now what I did was like my entire this 2-year wala time preparation ka was going for studying. Okay, so what I planned was कि 8 hours का सेल्फ स्टडी तो रखना ही है. कोचिंग में मैनेज कर लूंगी. मतलब आई हैव टू गो टू द क्लास, डिसिप्लिन क्लास तो मतलब
No bunking at all.
no bunking at all
Yeah, I get
whatever
that.
happens. So I was consistent with the class. रिवाइज में ऊपर नीचे हो जाता था, बट आई मेड श्योर कि हाँ नोट्स करने हैं ऐड, तो वो इवेंचुअली हो जाते थे. एंड देन सेल्फ स्टडी का वो भी फिक्स था कि 8 घंटे देने हैं. अब जब ऐसा हुआ कि मतलब दिसंबर जनवरी में आई न्यू कि देयर वर 3 क्लासेस हैपनिंग. I was from 7:30 a.m. in the morning till 5 I was only attending classes. So I made my own schedule then. What I did was कि 5 बजे घर जाके I used to sleep, wake up at 11 रात को, and 11 से सुबह 6:30 my consistent study.
Okay, so you never compromised your those hours
Yeah.
for anything that happened.
For anything that happened. Because
That
I
is
think
commendable.
self-study is like most important.
It is. What I have also understood is that a coaching or any assistance or guidance, so to say, can fasten up the process,
Yeah.
can tell you what to do, what not to do, but
Exactly.
end of the day, it is all about you, what you do.
Yeah.
Same classes are provided for everyone. Same
Everyone.
books are provided for everyone. Even the book list more or less remains same for almost everyone.
Yeah.
But there are few who are making it to the list because they have something other than what the ordinary crowd is doing,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Okay. Krishna, tell me something like, how did you tackle after clearing the prelim exam? This helped you qualify the prelim.
Yeah.
Now, once prelim was done,
Mhm.
how did you shifted your gears to the main exam?
Okay, so like this is where like I know that teachers helped me. Like teachers, when they're teaching in the class, they also give those tidbits
Yes.
of information which are very important to hear. So I remember some of the teachers telling at that time ki whether you clear prelims or not, just don't even think. Just get into the preparation for mains.
Yes.
So I had that in my mind. So I did not even check the answer key.
Hmm.
On 30th May, I was on my table back.
Oh.
28th May was prelims.
Yes,
30th
yes.
May, I was on my table back कि हो या नहीं हो, मेंस का 3
मुझे तो
महीने
पढ़ना
करना
है.
है.
हाँ.
So I assumed कि I am writing mains in September.
हाँ.
So and I started preparing. Then I talked. I talked to you. I came
remember,
here.
I remember.
Yeah. So I talked to you, and then I got that plan कि हाँ resources मैंने finalize कर लिए हैं. And now my thinking approach changed. In prelims, I was focusing on facts, meaning, exactly concept है क्या, going in depth. Mains became like summarizing in my mind. So what happened eventually, I remember I started every topic that I read, I started thinking it about it in terms of syllabus में क्या लिखा हुआ है, every word of the syllabus, and introduction, body, main, conclusion. This was the format I was thinking. And eventually what happened, by the time I wrote mains, for most of the answers, introduction was there in my brain.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
That is an automatic byproduct of a good planning.
Yeah.
Yes, great. So, okay, so the idea is that you maybe tagged all of your resources. You went into the mode of revision and also started looking at the topics from the mains perspective itself.
Yeah.
Tell me something like people say that let me prepare for prelim first, let me then look at mains first. Is there anything like that?
I think most of the content remains same. Mindset is different for the two exams.
The temperament changes, I think.
Temperament changes.
I think it is all a game of temperament at the end of the day.
Yeah, and one thing that adds up in mains is the pressure to write and complete.
Write it also, yes. In prelim, you can see the answers in front of you.
Right.
In mains, you have to generate points, so your brain has to be trained in that way.
Yeah.
Krishna, tell me something like in this one year of a rigid preparation, I will say, because I don't see much of flexibility in your routine. What are the things which kept you moving?
Okay.
Other than you being a studious child, that I understood.
Yeah.
So you are naturally born for this job.
Okay.
That also I understood.
Okay.
But apart from those things, what kept you moving?
Okay. I think that was my family support. Like those 5 people in my family, they were always there to listen to me and to say that तू कर, हम खड़े हैं. होगा या नहीं होगा, we are with you.
वो देख लेंगे बाद में.
हम देख लेंगे, तू कर.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
And if I have to like bring down to a very very small narrative of saying, ऐसी कौन सी चीजें हैं which stops us from getting a rank? You must have seen, at least must have experienced a few, कि ये चीज मुझे नहीं करनी यार, ये करेंगे तो हो सकता है मेरा वो रूटीन टूट रहा है, या मैं पढ़ नहीं पा रही हूँ, या मुझे मेंटली डिस्टर्ब कर रहा है. तो वो कौन से डोंट्स, बिगर डोंट्स हैं?
हाँ, आई थिंक मेरे लिए तो सबसे बड़ा ये था कि रूटीन ब्रेक नहीं करना है. लाइक समटाइम्स यार डिस्ट्रैक्शंस, फ्रेंड्स कहते हैं कि कुछ नहीं, 1 घंटे में आ जाएंगे कॉफी पी के, कुछ नहीं होता. बट दैट टाइम वी हैव टू बी स्ट्रांग कि नहीं यार अगले साल पी लेंगे, कोई बात नहीं, आज नॉर्मल कॉफी पी लेते घर पे.
See, I'll tell you one thing very very jokingly.
Yeah.
Many of the students after the class, they will interact and they'll ask, sir, you please tell us what has to be done and what not has to be done. So I jokingly say that, see, all of you people live in this old Rajendra Nagar because it is nearer to Vajiram, right? Now, where you fail the exam is in this geographical concept only. You take 10 minutes from your flat to reach to Vajiram, but you take 2 hours to go back from Vajiram to your room.
Right.
That's where you actually miss it out. And you see all the things. Starting from this to your flat, you will see almost every kind of a shop.
Yeah.
That is commendable because I can see that you have not got deviated in those times where people generally get deviated.
Yeah.
True, but I think that's the result you are right now enjoying.
Yeah, thankfully.
Right.
Yes.
No. It's all your hard work. Okay, tell me, hard work, smart work.
Yeah.
Another question which came in.
Yeah.
So tell me, what is that? It's hard work or it's smart work?
I think 80% it is hard work, but it has to be done smartly.
How?
Like, for example, I can tell you, for example, there's geography. No, everybody is going like very tensed about how to do map work. Now, what I did was I could not understand the entire atlas. Definitely. Time was less and my brain wasn't accepting geography much.
Yes.
So I wasn't great at that. So what I did was, my focus was current affairs में जो भी जगह आ रही है, उसको बड़ा वाला जो wall map है, वहीं पे mark कर देना है.
अच्छा.
एक ही map
So you
में सब
use
कुछ.
that thing which is pasted, right?
Yeah.
Which 90% student don't use it.
Exactly.
I have seen वो 3 साल बाद घर छोड़ते हैं तो भी उसमें एक dot भी नहीं है.
Right.
So it remains clean as many of their books.
Yeah. So what I noticed, my friends, like some of the people I knew, they are like ratifying the entire atlas. I thought,
That is of no use.
That is of no use. What I did was current affairs में I was very vigilant reading the newspaper. I just love reading newspaper. Eventually I started loving. That is what, like, because मुझे लगता है कि syllabus का direction वहीं से आ रहा है.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
और UPSC उसी में interested है.
वही.
जो हो रहा है उसमें interested
Exactly.
है. जो हो चुका है उसमें interested नहीं है UPSC.
So this is what, like, this was smart work on my part कि जो चीजें important थी I marked in that very map
itself.
Yeah, and then every day 10 minutes after dinner I was looking at it. So that is what, and eventually the fruit came for that. यूक्रेन पे क्वेश्चन आया and I knew कि हाँ आसपास ये कंट्रीज है, इतना एग्रीकल्चर एरिया है, ये रिवर है, ये सी है, done.
So this is only application of mind.
Yeah.
And I think it comes from the idea of looking at PYQs also.
Yeah, definitely.
So I think PYQs also are equally important, right?
They are.
How much answer writing practice did you do, on a common general day when you were taking the classes?
Okay, so my answer writing, like, I would like to first mention that I was an English honors student, so I had that flair of writing.
Yes.
So that worked as an advantage. So what I did was, during this prelims preparation by July, August, on the portal itself, there are 2 questions every day.
Yes.
Yeah. So
the answer writing practice program.
Yeah.
AWP program. Yes.
Yeah. So I started doing that. For 20-25 days I did that, and I realized that if I read a thing and I write the answer, I get 7-8 out of 10. So I thought that it's working.
Yes.
I need content. I don't need that. So I started working on content. Then I came back to this answer writing after writing prelims. Then I started full-fledged answer writing for mains. So what I did was 5 answers daily on my practice basis. Topper copy से देखा, लिखा and match किया, value addition वहीं पे add कर लिया. That is what, and then I started writing the test series.
Yes.
यहाँ पे focused में 12 tests they are there.
Yes, 8 sectional full length. I remember that.
Yeah,
yes.
so I wrote them and eventually I wrote in, मतलब अगर पूरा बताऊँ तो around 17-18 tests in total. I wrote full length बैठ के आराम से, and my daily जो practice था वो चल रहा था. So by the time end came, I had this practice कि दिन में 3 पेपर लिख सकती हूँ मैं.
I think that's where you have written so many paper ना, तो introduction भी मोटा मोटा याद ही रहता है कि
yeah.
ये keyword है तो I can generate one introduction from this.
Yeah.
And now it's more about जितना भी सीखा है उसको कैसे permutation combination लगाए.
Exactly.
Okay, great. It's a good amount of smart work, I think.
Yes.
Acha, tell me something. Right now we see so many resources all across on the soft domains as well as the hard domain. I mean, इंटरनेट पे कुछ भी यूपी से लिखेंगे तो 1000 साइट आ जाएंगे, और ओल्ड राजेंद्र नगर में एक बार भ्रमण करके देखेंगे तो फोटो कॉपीज की तो कमी नहीं है. लाल काला पीला हर कलर का आजकल आने लगा है. तो व्हाट डू यू थिंक? आई सी अ लॉट ऑफ स्टूडेंट एक्चुअली एक्यूमुलेटिंग मच ऑफ रिसोर्सेज. हाउ डिड यू टुक केयर ऑफ इट?
Yeah, so what I did was, like, I am very strict with my, like, जो प्लान होता है. तो what I did was, जो बुक लिस्ट थी वो वॉल पे पेस्टेड थी प्रेपरेशन के टाइम से पहले कि ये चीज़ है और इसके लिए ये रिसोर्सेज हैं. इवेंचुअली फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी आ गई थी कि हाँ इसको इससे एडजस्ट कर लेते, इसको इससे एडजस्ट कर लेते, बट मोटा मोटा तैयार था कि यही करना है. देन आई डिड नॉट शिफ्ट. आई न्यू कि आई कैन डू दिस एंड आई डिड दैट, स्टिकिंग टू दैट. मतलब थे रिकमेंडेशंस थे कि इंडिया ईयर बुक भी पढ़ लो, ये भी पढ़ लो. आई वाज लाइक जितना हो सकेगा कर लूंगी. आई गॉट दिस एडवाइस इन वन ऑफ माई क्लासेस ओनली. वन ऑफ द टीचर्स ही सेड दैट even if you are doing 10% ना, do that 10% so well that उसमें से अगर कोई क्वेश्चन आ गया ना वो छूटना नहीं चाहिए.
मुझे आता है ये होना चाहिए
वही. So that is what I think I did. 70% ही किया होगा, लेकिन उसको बहुत religiously किया था.
So what I am understanding from you is that you are a super disciplined girl, number 1. Number 2, one good feeling I am getting sitting over here as a teacher is that you should listen to teachers.
Yeah, very important, very important.
Many a time even jokingly when we are talking with students, we share our experience.
Yeah.
And that is something that we should keep in mind, because you can't just learn by creating your own mistakes. You have to learn from others.
Yeah.
Right. So I think it is important to listen to teachers, because I remember listening to many of my teachers during my days at this very institute.
Yeah, and I just remember a funny thing. I was in the class and December, January mein there are tests, prelim ka test start ho jata hai. So the mahal is very tense at that time because scores are low and
yes, and I don't understand what has happened, why people get their motivation from score.
Yeah.
They should mathematically understand that the score is altogether a different thing, which would come in UPSC.
Yeah.
Which is a assembly of 6-8 topics over there. You are writing sectional test and you are deriving your motivation from I got 40, so I think I'm not reading. I got 80. I'm doing great.
Yeah.
Neither of them guarantees your prelim. Yeah. So please go ahead with the incident.
So what happened was, one of the sirs, he was in the class and he was like, "Why are you so sad, people? Initially in the classes you were happy. Why are you so sad?" I think it is because of the test. Then we said yes. So there was a joke and one of the students said that कि sir क्या है कि बाल्टी में से पानी अब बाहर आ रहा है. So he said that कि advice तुम्हारे लिए ये है कि बहुत सारी बाल्टियां हैं भरने के लिए, so fill them one by one. So that was, I was also tensed at that time. Then he emphasized on that कि have patience and go one by one. That is where I had that in my mind. So I also adjusted my strategy that way. कि
Yes.
हाँ मुझे एक एक करके जाना चाहिए, पहले हिस्ट्री, फिर पॉलिटी, फिर ज्योग्राफी,
Absolutely.
one by one. So yeah, that takes patience, but yeah, ये छोटी छोटी बातें भी ना काम आ जाती हैं.
एक्चुअली छोटी छोटी बातें से ही आप बड़ा प्रिपेयर कर पाएंगे.
Yeah,
अदरवाइज
right.
क्या होता है कि अगर आप ये कोशिश करें कि मैं सब चीज एक ही दिन में जान
हाँ,
लूंगा,
हाँ.
एक ही दिन में मेरा स्कोर बढ़िया हो जाएगा, एक ही दिन में मेरी गलतियां घट जाएंगी, एक ही दिन में आंसर लिख दूंगा, तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता
Yeah,
है.
right.
It is always baby steps. You have to start
Yeah.
with smaller ones and then reach to
Yeah.
a bigger one, right?
Yeah, right.
Great, Krishna.
Yeah.
Krishna, tell me something. Those people who are right now looking at the prelim exam,
Yeah.
which is like hardly another 35 days,
Yeah.
what should they actually look at?
Okay, so my advice to the people appearing for prelims would be that please revise. Like this is the time when you have to consolidate everything that you've done in the past, your entire duration of preparation, and revise as much as you can. Because prelims is about having the knowledge, applying it, and having that logical mindset to crack those questions. So my advice would be give tests, analyze your tests very importantly, see what mistake you made and what the answer is suggesting, compare that, revise that, and revise all of that you have done, and please focus on current affairs, because I also remember that during my last 40-45 days I had those current affairs magazine. I was revising that, like constantly revising them every day. 2 hours, 2.5 hours was for current affairs. So now current affairs and what your basic content is, just revise, and that is going to make it.
It is revise and revise
Yeah.
on the end of the day.
Yeah.
Yes. So great. On that note, Krishna,
Yeah.
we'll end up here.
Yeah.
We have a lot of things that we have learned from you.
Yes.
I believe it should be of some help to the students who are writing the exam and who are looking at 2025 majorly, because you understand one thing. As a Russian proverb goes, it says that if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. Please have a plan. Please have a plan and execute it with complete dedication, and a result is in front of you only of a plan. So do look for a plan and do stick to it. Whether it is good, bad, whether you need to make the course correction, that would come automatically to you. And also teachers are always there to help you guide over there. I think that should be the learning from at least Krishna's case.
Yeah.
So thank you very much for
Thank you
interacting
so
with
much.
us. It was great talking to you, and congratulations and all the very best for your future.
Thank you so much. It was
Thank
great.
you.